Here's how to create a wet texture effect in Enscape. Start by going into the Enscape Material Editor tab. Make sure you select the right material you want to modify. The default materials are already loaded with their own reflections texture. If we remove it and adjust the roughness, we get more light reflection on the surface. However, this looks too uniform and does not properly simulate a wet surface. We'll create a new texture. Click on the texture image in the Reflections tab and drag and drop it into Photoshop or a similar image editing software. Once imported into a new Photoshop file, crop the image to only see the texture image. Open your Layers tab and add a new one at the top. Select your new layer and go to Filter, Render, Clouds. If you get a white page, go back with Ctrl-Z and set the top color here to black. On this image, the dark spots will represent the puddles of water in your texture. Adjust the brightness and contrast if you have too many black or white spots. Export the image as a PNG. Go back to the Enscape Material Editor to add the new texture map in the Reflections tab. Adjusting the brightness will increase or decrease the opacity of the wet effect. Inverting the texture map will make the brighter spots look like water puddles, instead of the darker ones. Close the Material Editor tab. You now have a wet texture effect on your material.